Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting your QR file and canvas ready. Import a high-resolution PNG or SVG of the QR code so pixels remain sharp. This prevents scanning errors later. Once done, set Ibis paint canvas to a large size, like 2000 px across, because you will scale and edit without losing clarity. Make sure background is transparent if you plan to overlay the QR. Now place the QR on a new layer and lock it so you won't accidentally move it while editing. Next, you clean and reinforce the QR so scanners read it reliably. Start by zooming in and removing stray pixels with the eraser and selection tools. This reduces noise. Then trace key squares with the pen tool, using a medium stabilizer to keep edges straight. This helps when you change color or add effects. Once traced, duplicate the QR layer and apply a threshold or posterize filter to create a high contrast, almost vector-like version. Make sure each QR module remains square and evenly spaced. Finally, you export and validate the QR so it actually works in the real world. Export a PNG at the full canvas size. Keep background transparent if you're overlaying it. Then test by scanning with multiple phones and QR apps at typical distances. This reveals if contrast or scaling broke readability. If scans fail, go back, increase contrast, restore perfect square modules, or undo effects that blurred edges. A quick troubleshooting tip: print a small test or display on another screen to confirm reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.